Whoa, have you heard about blobs in Ventoy? They're doing some wild stuff with file storage.
Oh, totally. Blobs are fascinating, especially how they streamline data handling in a USB environment, right?
Exactly. I mean, think about it. Storing large binary objects as single entities. That's super efficient.
And it really simplifies things. Having multiple files bundled together just makes sense in these setups.
Right? And the fact that you can modify these without touching the whole setup? That's a game changer.
Oh, wow, it is. It instantly makes updates and changes so much easier. Imagine not having to recreate everything.
Hold on. That changes everything. It's like having a magic box where you just swap files in and out.
Haha, exactly. And for developers, it must save so much time. Less hassle with backups and version control.
How do I explain this? I feel like it's like updating an app without having to install it all over again.
Yes, that's a perfect way to put it. And it must make deploying systems way more efficient.
But here's the wild part. Blobs can also help reduce redundancy within files, like less bloat, more speed.
That's interesting because it could lead to faster load times, right? Who doesn't want that?
Exactly. Fast access could really impact user experience in a big way.
Oh, and the implication for larger data sets. That's where it gets super exciting. Think about cloud applications.
Wait, so you mean if they can parse blobs efficiently, they could transform how we handle data in the cloud?
Yes, that connection is huge. It's like a butterfly effect for data management.
Wow, I never thought about it that way. Blobs could redefine cloud storage rules, huh?
Exactly, less fragmented data and more cohesion. So neat.
Plus, we can use them for backups more intelligently. Just swap the blob instead of wrestling with files.
That's a great point. Imagine how much streamlined that would make computing tasks overall.
This reminds me of when they simplified storage management with SSDs. Everything just gets faster.
Oh, for sure. As the tech evolves, so do our processes. It's an exciting cycle.
And the fact that Ventoy is embracing blobs indicates how much they value efficiency for users.
Definitely. It shows how far the development has come in terms of thinking practically.
Right? You'd think after all this time they'd be out of ideas, but no.
Haha, they just keep reinventing the wheel. But let's not forget about security in this context.
Oh, that's a good angle. How do blobs address security issues? Could they actually enhance it?
Well, by limiting access points, less exposure could potentially minimize vulnerabilities.
So fewer access points mean fewer chances for breaches? That's really interesting.
Exactly. It's like building a fortress around information. Smart.
I just realized how interconnected this all is. Blobs influencing storage, efficiency, even security.
Right? It's a domino effect of innovation. Makes me curious about what's next for storage solutions.
Oh, now that's a thought. If blobs are just the start, what else is in the pipeline?
That's the mystery. But I bet it's something mind-blowing like AI-driven storage management.
Oh, now I get it. AI enhancing blob efficiency across devices. Game-changing.
Exactly. It makes me wonder how that will evolve over time. We're just scratching the surface.
So, if we put all this together, we're looking at a future where data is not just stored, but managed intelligently.
Yes, and it raises the question, how will that change our relationship with technology?
Whoa, that's deep. I can't help but think of the implications for privacy and control.
Absolutely. Technology is evolving, and we need to keep being aware of how we interact with it.
This whole discussion has me pondering so much. It's amazing where tech can take us.
Totally. I feel like we're on the brink of something phenomenal in data storage.
And I can't wait to see what inventive solutions come next. What a ride.
For sure. Let's keep the curiosity alive. There's so much more to explore.